So, hello everybody, and welcome to Auspicious Learning with Shravya. So, if you've seen my trailer, you've seen many things have been introduced. So, let's start with maths first. So, if we know there is a thing known as algebra, which contains this sign, this sign, this sign, and this sign. What do the signs mean? Of course. Let's see that first. Ahead, please. So. I'll need my tarp. Yeah. Whenever a symbol plus comes, I mean this symbol comes, it's also known as plus. It means addition. What does it mean? It means addition. And whenever this sign comes, it means this sign's name is a minus. I'll just decrease my text box. This sign means minus sign. Okay, back over here. Whenever multiplication sign or this sign comes, it means into. What does it mean? Into, that means multiplication, so it's known as into. Fine. And whenever this sign comes, by signs, this is a by sign, and this is a division sign, it means it's a division. I'll write by over here, by sign. Okay, I'll just clear all of this. Let's go ahead. So, what is algebra? Basically, if you've even heard of algebra, you think it's really big. But if it's introduction, it's quite easy, Let's learn the definition. Algebra, a method of finding value of a variable or a number. Just let me know if I write A, okay, and I write 6, okay. So this will be a way. Oh, it's not even typing. I'm sorry. Where able. It means it's a variable. And if 6 comes or any other number, and if A comes or any other alphabet, it will be a variable. And if 6 comes, it will be a number. So if we replace the sentence with these values, so if we say a method of after replacing this all, I'll just draw this thing. We just need to replace this with what is given here. So variable A number 6. Variable A number 6. Fine. A method of finding value of A or a number 6. So it's actually variable and number. Just to make you understand what is A and 6, I wrote variable and number. Let me clear it. I mean 6 and A. So sorry. Oops. So let's learn some rules first. I'll just take my text box over here. So just give me a second. A plus 6 is equals to 7. Oh, right. Yeah, done. So A, sorry, so 7, yeah, here. So I wrote A plus 6 is equals to 7 is equals to 7. So some rules first. If addition moves, it changes to subtraction. So it will be 7 minus the number. Okay, now the next example. 1 second. Oops. Now, if subtraction moves, it changes to addition. So subtraction moves, it changes to addition. Now one more. See, fine. Now, if multiplication moves, it changes to division. So multiplication moves, it changes to division. Next, if division moves, it changes to multiplication. What does that mean? So if I write D divide by, this is a divide sign, okay? This is a divide sign. D divide by 5 is equals to, okay, let me just think of the number. Okay, yeah, is equals to 5. Is it? Hmm. So D division moves, so it becomes multiplication. So 5 into. Fine, I'll clear up this now. Now, another rules. So, whenever, remember this, just give me a second. Yeah, whenever equals to sign comes, we need to write the opposite of this will be, sorry, I'll just write opposite of this over here. The opposite of this will be this. Next. Now if I've written is equals to 6. So again, if I write D, if the variable is D, so D is equals to 6, whatever operation is there over here. Whatever operation will be minus is equals to plus, plus is equals to minus, like that. So these are the rules. Let me clear it up again. Now let's go to the next slide. Now I'll explain you how to do the sum. So if I wanna write this over here, all right, did I go over here? Yes. I'll just write a sum over here and I'll do the calculation and I'll explain you. I'll do start with addition. 12 is equals 6. 6 is equals to 12. Fine, I'll explain you now. So just remember the rules here. So there's a variable over here and there's a number over here. So let's write the variable over here in quotes. Variable. So variable means it's a number replaced by. So E could be 7 also, E could be 8 also. We need to find the value of it. It could be 6 also. Fine. E could be any one of these. So I'll clear this up. 1 second. E could just be any variable. I'll write V over here for variable. Then E is the variable, 6 is the number, and the answer The sum over here is given. This is the sum. Fine. So I'll just write 6 is the number plus is the first equation. I'm writing first equation. First, I'm just writing EQ for equation is equals to is the sum depictor. Just excuse me for my writing. This is the sum depictor and 12 is the sum. If you understand this all, I'll erase it. Oh no! I'll undo it. Just give me a second. Just need to erase all of this. So sorry. I'll just let it be over here. Yeah, fine. Just give me a second. Sorry for delays because erasing this is important because I'll need to do more sums over here. Excuse me. Okay, back. So as we know, this is a variable, number, sum depictor, and sum. So over here, how did they find this? So if you recall the rule I taught, so whenever an equal sign comes, whatever number is after that, you need to write. So after equal to, that is 12. So I wrote 12, and whenever plus comes, it changes to minus. So 12 minus, then this number will come. So 12 minus 6 is equals to the sum depictor and the difference. So then we got the value of E, that is 6. So 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. We got the number for the variable. Now let's go to the next sum. Before arg, sorry. Before that, let me just clear all of this. Okay. Okay, now time for the subtraction sum. F minus 7 is equals to, what could we say? 3. Okay. So first variable, we'll write the variable. Then the is equals to sign. What's after is equals to? 3. If minus moves, it becomes plus. Sorry. Then we write the main number. Then we again write is equal to, and the answer of this is 10. So the value of f is equals to 10. So 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. So what have I done over here? Recalling the rules again. This is the variable. I'll just do it like this. This is a variable. This is the number. This is the sum. This is the sum depictor. So the variable we write here again is equals to, remember the rule, after is equals to only 3 comes. So is equals to 3, then plus. So if minus moves, it becomes plus. So 3 plus 7 is equals to the 10. So the value of f will be 10. Isn't this so easy? It's just like remembering quick fractions. Of course, not fractions. Remembering quick equations, I mean the operations and all. It's quite easy, I must say. Fine. Let's do the multiplication sum now. So, let's write the multiplication sum. But before that, I'll write a note over here. This sign means division. Remember, this sign means division. And I just write that. That could be more easier, right? This sign means division. I'm just writing D for division. And where is it gone? This sign means multiplication. Right? So I'm going for the multiplication sum. So G into 5 is equals to 20. So first we write G, the variable. Then we'll write the is equals to after number. That means 20. When the multiplication sign moves, it becomes division. So then the remaining number 5 comes, and if we divide, we get 4. So the value of G is equals to 4. So 4 divided by so I'm so sorry. 4 into 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Fine. I'll explain you again. So this is the variable, this is another number, this is the sign, this is the sign depictor, and this is the product. Product means the answer of multiplication. So we can just guess that it's 4 into 5 is equals to 20, right? But if we want to do it in algebra, we'll be like G, of course, the variable is equals to, after is equal to, it's 20. So G is equals to 20, the remaining number 5. And if we divide that, we get 4. So 5 plus the 20. So the value of G will be 4. And so 4 multiplied by 5 is equals to 20. Fine, I'll take the eraser again. Just give me a sec. Now I'm gonna do a division sum over here. So I'm gonna write a division sum. Remember the note over here. H divide by, let me think of a number. Just give me a second. Okay. H divide by 9 is equals to 45. And then H is equals to, the number after is equals to 45. And out. I might take a smaller number because I'll need a lot of calculations in this. So just give me a sec. Let me think of a number. Hmm, maybe 3 only. I don't know if it's correct. No, like wait, 1 second. Okay, yeah, correct. So h is equals to 3 after the is equals to there's 3. Division sign changes to multiplication sign. So see, 9, the remaining number is equals to 27. So the value of h is equals to 27. So 27 divided by 9 is equals to 3. Correct? How did it happen? Let's explain you. So we got the variable, we got the sign, we got the next number, we got the depictor, we got the mm, answer. I just forgot the word. Okay. Then always we write the variable as we know all of the sums we did that. And here we have our answer. Then I have our depictor over here. That means always when, if you forgot, division sign changes to multiplication. This is the division sign. I know it's not slanting, but I tried making it. So it changes to multiplication and 3 to 9 is 27. So value of h will be 27. And so 27 by divided by 9 will be 3. We can even check it. Just see. 9. This is 9. Please don't look at my annotations. Just look at my sums. They're quite neat. And we write 27 over here. And 9 into what was 0 is 27. 3 of course. So 27 and 0 is 0. See, we got the answer 3. We got the answer 3. Now, if we've understood, let's go to our next sum. Next, please. Let's solve it now. So we have given a is equals to over here. I'll take it up. So a plus 5 is equals to 16. So, if you remember the rules, let's solve them. So a, we got the variable a is equals to, after is equals to, there's 16. So plus changes to minus, 16 minus the remaining number, 5 is equals to 11. And so the answer, I guess you can't see me quite nicely. So I'm going to clear my drawing and write it with the text. That would be quite better. So a is equals to the number after is equals to 16 plus changes to minus 16 minus the remaining number 5, and we do that we get 11, and so it will be 11 plus 5 is equals to 16. Hooray! We did the first sum. Haha! If you are understanding, very good. If not, keep going. You'll understand. Observe the sums very nicely. You'll understand it quite better. Resume the video if you cannot understand. And if you can't understand, see me solving, and you'll just understand just like a mathematician. Sorry. I'm just in maths right now. So again, the variable is given over here. So b is a variable, and after is equals to we have 5, and minus changes to plus. So 5 plus the remaining number is equals to then 11. Oh my gosh, why are we getting 11s? We got 5 plus 6, 11, because 2 6 are 12, and 12 minus 1, 11. So it will be 11 minus 5 is equals to 6. Oh wait, why am I writing like this? I'm so sorry, I wrote the wrong sum. 11 minus 6 is equals to 5. You can check it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. That was quite nice, I must say. Now let me write over here. Where's my text box? Clue. Multiplication sum. Nice, right? C in 4 is equals to 24. So C, the variable, is equals to, after is equals to, we have 24. Divide again. So multiplication changes to division. So 24 divided by the remaining number, 4, is equals to 6, because 4 6 are 24. So it will be, oops, sorry, 6 into 4 is equals to 24. Oops. Just give me a sec. Ouch. I did the color wrong. Ha. I guess so you can see this properly. I'll just do the next time, and I'll change the font color of that later. Oh wait. Done. Sorry. So first the variable d is a variable, and after is equals to, we have 4. So 4 division changes to multiplication. So 4 into the remaining number, 8 is equals to what? 32. So it will be 32 divided by 8, sorry, is equals to 4. We got the answer already. Isn't this so easy? It's particularly very easy. I hope you understand, you liked it, and time for a quiz. So, I'm gonna put a link right in the description. Click on it to see whether you know the rules and whether you know how to solve introduction to algebra. And keep watching my channel for new videos. Every topic like maths is included, computer studies, that means ICT, is included, and science is included. Next video will be of science, so be ready with your lab rat's brain. So to do this for now, keep watching my channel, subscribe if you think I'm good, comment if you don't think I'm good, and so I can improve, and please share so all over the world can know my videos and be smart in the life. Bye bye. Toodles for now. Meet you in my next video. Bye. Oops, I forgot to say you something. You have been invited to my quiz. So be ready. I couldn't start the video because I'm missing you in my quiz. Check my description box right now. You'll miss it. Toodles.